See that keloid? It's a big one. Now I had that. It was smaller, but they did a surgery on it, and they made it bigger. Stretched across. It was like in the middle, and they cut it way across, and it got way bigger. So now I've got a bigger problem. That's what I need the aspirin stuff for. Let's clear across the chest. Look. Look at that. Before you put it on, just make sure it's cleaned off really good. Of course, you get in the shower every day or whatever, and it's pretty clean, but you sweat or whatever throughout the night or day. So clean it off real good. Okay, can you see it? There it is. Okay, so you put it on. Ooh. Put it on there. You see how big it is now? Okay, now if it reduces in size, this is going to be one of my things. I'll keep showing it progress, but this is like how huge it is, and then when I go to sleep it hurts so badly. It doesn't itch, it hurts. So anyways, that's how it goes, and then you leave it on for a little bit, then you rinse it off. You feel like you're faint or feeling like it says that aspirin could kind of help it from the pain too. Like if it hurts, when I go like this, it feels kind of numb, but it doesn't feel as numb as it used to. When I stayed numb for like after the surgery, like months, and I'm like, why is this thing still numb? But anyways, really hurts. Doesn't itch, hurts. Okay. Some people have them where they itch. Mine hurts. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do, and I'll show you the results.